So let's talk about cloning objects in Max. So you may have seen me doing this in other videos. So we have shift, and if we drag using a transform tool, we get a clone, and it brings up this dialog. So we have various types of clones. We have copies, instances, and references. References we won't get onto, we'll do it in another lesson, but let's look at instances first. So when an object is made an instance, it means that these two objects are now constantly the same. So if I make modifications to one object, let's just randomly do something to this, and you can tell that it's an instance because it's got this heavy set text. So if I add a bend modifier to this, and we'll do some distortions, you see the gizmo gets added to the other one as well, and when I change one, the other one changes as well. So if I drag duplicate this again using shift, and I turn that into a copy, then this object is now unique. So if I bend this object, the other two don't follow. I can turn instances into just plain copies by clicking on this make unique button like this, and now you can see that heavyset text is gone on this object and this object as well, because this is now orphaned as well and has no instances. So now I can adjust either of them all individually like this. So the other thing you get in the copy tool is let's go to top view like this, is you get so let's go to, let's say it sets the world, and we'll set this to transform center. So now I can rotate this object around the world like this, and I'm going to choose instance, and then I can set a number of copies. So let's say we have 7 copies like that. So this will create a nice little array of stones, and then we have a little stone circle. And again, these are all instances, so I can just bend any one of them, and we get some weird dancing rock thing going on like that. And I can do the same with any kind of transform. So let's do that, and we'll do a number of copies, 4, and we got a nice row of stones like that. Okay, so that is instances, copies, and how to use the clone options dialog.